How to remove a secondary account from Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily remove a secondary account from your Facebook app. Open up Facebook and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the profile or the menu icon at the top right. From there, you just need to go ahead and tap on the drop down and then switch your profile to your secondary account. So I'll just go over here and switch my profile. Now, all you have to do here is tap on the menu icon at the top right, then tap on gear icon, and all you do now is basically log out of here. If you don't see log out from settings, just scroll down all the way here and tap on log out. If you want to save your login info, you can save it, but I'm just going to tap on not now, tap on log out, and then from here you can easily remove your account. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you remove secondary account from Facebook. If this tutorial was helpful to you, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.